Meshwell, Vishiga, good evening beta. Shall we start the class? Okay, today first we are starting with property number 4. Yesterday till property number 3 we have done. Today property number 4 we will do. What is this property is telling about? Did you send the link in the group? Today what this property is exactly about? This property is telling about, okay, what is this property is about? We know that lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x dx, it can also be written as lower limit a, upper limit b, f of a plus b minus x dx. So this property is about this only. For any, Farhana, good evening beta. So if f of x is a continuous function defined on, if f of x is a continuous function defined on closed interval AB, then this is possible. This function is possible. Pritika, good evening beta. Sarvana, good evening. So now one very important thing here, before starting this, before starting the proof of this, in 2019 till many years they have not asked. Harish, good evening beta. Till many years they didn't ask the properties, and suddenly one year they have asked the proof of the property. Okay, usually they will not ask the proof of the property, but in 2019 they have asked the proof of the property. And specifically when certain years unpredicted they will be asking like this, then it is creating a problem. So I really want of all of you to be prepared for proving, for just proof of this also. Like how to prove that this part equal to this part, means these two, according to, if f of x is a continuous function defined in the closed interval ab, then how to prove this one, that also you should know. Okay, now how to prove this one? First, don't do anything. Shall we do this equal to this proof? So we are going to start from here. A to b f of a plus b minus x dx. From this part also we can start the proof, because integral, when they are telling that for the closed interval we can do like this. So I'm just taking RHS side, and from RHS side I'm just going to prove that LHS side is possible. Okay, so the first important work is I will take a plus b minus x equal to t. So if let a plus b minus x equal to t, if I will take, then what will be x? A plus b minus t will be exactly equal to x, but we are going to differentiate it. So now differentiating with respect to x, if we are going to differentiate with respect to x, then this part will become minus 1 is equal to dt by dx. So dx will be equal to minus dt. So now what we are going to do here is, instead of this RHS side, we can write like a to b, because lower limit and upper limit will also change. So now we will change lower limit and upper limit. So when x will be equal to b, then what will happen to this? So x will be equal to b. So a plus b minus b is equal to t. Therefore t will be equal to a. When x will be equal to a, then what will be the equation? A plus b minus a equal to t. That time t will be equal to b. So that means lower limit and upper limit both we have changed now. So now what function is exactly going to come here? It is exactly going to come as, now this one can also be written as, that means a to b f of a plus b minus x dx will be now written as b to a, because lower limit changed, upper limit changed, because when x equal to b you have taken t equal to a coming, when x equal to a you are taking t is equal to b coming. Okay, so lower limit and upper limit both are exactly changing its place. So now here this part is coming as f of t, and dx, if you are substituting, it is coming as minus dt. Okay, so now minus will go out, so minus b to a f of t dt. But we know one more thing, that we have done property number 2. In property number 2, we have seen that lower limit and upper limit can interchange their place. Only one thing will be there, that is minus will come out. So now we can change the lower limit and upper limit. Now it is coming as a and b, and one minus will come out. Minus and minus will plus itself. Now it is coming as ft dt. Again one more formula is there, that one more property is there, property number 1. So just by applying property 2, by property 2, I just put this one, that this lower limit and upper limit, I have just changed the place with the help of property 2. What does property 2 says? That ki f of b, f of x dx is there. If lower limit, upper limit will change its place, then minus will come out. So this is exactly property 2. So by property 2, I have exactly done this one, so minus will go. And now property 1 says that ki either of, see, the function is exactly independent of variable. So function is independent of variable. By property 1 we can know that. So by property 1 we can say that function is independent of variable. So by property 1, by property 1, and property 1 says that ki a to b f of x dx can be equal to a to b f of y dy. So variable, it is independent of variable. So now we have proved this one. This we started from here and we just put till here. So that means finally we come to know that a to b f of x dx can also be written as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is a very important proof, and based on this we are going to solve many questions. Till here any doubt is there? If any doubt will be there, inform me quickly, because this is a very important part I have proved right now. This is one of a property, and based on this property questions are coming. So any doubt is there, quickly say. Here only we are going to finish the doubt, then we will start solving questions. I did nothing. I took RHS, and in the RHS side, I took RHS. In the RHS side, a plus b minus x equal to t we have taken, and then differentiated, lower limit, upper limit changed. And after changing the lower limit and upper limit, we got minus here. After getting minus, we used property 2 and then property 1. Property 2 and then property 1. Come on, quickly tell me. Till here you have understood how to do this question? Quickly say, so that I will start with questions. Okay, no reply. Understood. Only Maheshwal is replying that he understood. What about others? Harish, Sarvana, Farhana, Pritika, Vishega understood? Yes, Sarvana understood. Quickly give me reply so that I can come to know that you are there in the group. Keep on replying. Pritika understood. Shall we go for question answer solving? Okay, Vishega understood. So keep on replying me, beta. Keep on giving the answers. 3 people, 4 people only understood. Rest other, where are they? Now look here. Now first question. I am going to handle first question 1 to 2. 1 to 2 root under x down. Here it is written as 3 minus x root under plus x dx. When these type of questions will be given, how we are exactly, when these type of questions will be given, how we are going to handle the question. So now the question given to you is root under x, root under 3 minus x plus x will be there. Without changing anything, how to solve this question? First make it equal to integral, and after that next important point is, shall we apply property number 3? So we will be writing that by property a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So we can apply in the function, we can just what content we will remember. We will remember a plus b minus x. Just we will remember lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Whatever function is given there, we just have to substitute that part there. So now we are going to do the same thing here also. So now I am just going to divide the board. So now look here. So here it is going to be I equal to 1 to 2 lower limit. Now here x will become what? Now here 1 plus 2 will become 3. 3 minus x, and this part is, wherever x is there, just write that 3 minus x, and x part will be written as 3 minus x. A plus b. So wherever that x will be there, answer is coming as 3 by 2. That was very quick, Mahesh. So now this part is coming, dx is there. So this is equation 1 we have taken. Now if we will solve this one, it is exactly I is going to come as lower limit 1 to 2 root under 3 minus x. Only one person, I am just going to say the answer beta. So here it is 3 minus 3, this part is going to be root under x plus root under 3 minus x dx. Now what we are going to do is, we are seeing that this part and this part there is some similarity. So we are going to add this to equation 1 and equation 2. So after implementation of property number 3, whatever variable part, whatever integral section is coming, we are going to add them together. So adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, so when you will add equation 1 and 2, what will happen? When you are adding equation 1 and 2, I plus I will become 2i. Okay, and this part integral section also will get added. So here it is coming as 1 to 2 root under x by root under 3 minus x plus root under x plus 1 to 2 root under 3 minus x by root under 3 minus x plus root under x dx. So now they both, if we will add it, it is coming as 2i 1 to 2 root under x plus root under 3 minus x by root under x plus root under 3 minus x dx. This and this will get cancelled. 2i is equal to x. Interval is exactly, because only dx part is going to come. The first step you didn't understood. I am going to solve the first step beta. I am going to explain this one more time. So it is exactly going to come as 2 minus 1, because here nothing will be left, so x part is coming. So here 2 minus 1. So I will be equal to 1 by 2. Check answer. I will be exactly coming as 1 by 2. I will be coming as Vishika. Yes, I will be coming as 1 by 2. I am going to explain the first step. Now look here beta, in the first step, you just have to understand one thing. Wherever x is there, Sarvna, there one small work you have to do beta. So here x is there na, then here 1 plus 2 means lower limit plus upper limit. You see here, wherever x is there, wherever in the function x is there, lower limit plus upper limit minus x is coming. So whichever section x will be there, you have to do this change. So here x is there. So now instead of this x, what we are going to write? 1 plus 2 minus x. Here also x was there. So instead of that, what I did? I wrote lower plus upper minus x instead of x. So wherever x will be there, Sarna, you just have to write there lower plus upper. The lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus x you have to write everywhere. Sarna, understood or not? Sarna, understood? Like if somebody will be giving you this one, somebody will give you x. Okay, x by x is there and 1 and 2 is there and dx is there. Now instead of this x, what you are going to write? Instead of this x, what you are going to write? Just for understanding, I am writing there. So instead of this x, you are going to write at beta 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus x. Okay, when you are applying that property number 3, then it will become 3 minus x. When you will apply, then 1 plus 2 minus x. So wherever x will be there, yes, absolutely correct, Mahesh. Wherever x will be there, beta, only one small work, that is 3 minus x you have to apply. Now is it clear? Are you ready for next question? Are you ready for next question? Okay, everyone ready? Shall we solve one question? Question is, when this question is exactly very easy, but this question came in examination, pi by 6, pi by 3 to pi by 6, 1 by 1 plus root under cot x dx is there. This question came in CBSE 2014. This question came in CBSE 2014. Now how to solve this question? 2014 this question came in CBSE. This question came in CBSE 2014. Now solve this question. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 is there. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 will be there. Now how to solve this question? Shall I solve? See, look here, one simple method, cot x is not going to be having any format. So one small work we are going to do. I'll just first divide this board into 3 so that systematically you will get. So now lower limit is pi by 6, upper limit is pi by 3. Now here 1 by 1 plus cot x can be written as cos x root under cos x by root under sin x dx. So now just take LCM and shift it up. So it will become pi by 6 to pi by 3. These questions are important question. So if you will take LCM and this one will go up, so this part will become sin x by sin x plus cos x. Please, this step is the crucial step. After this you will be able to solve nicely. Exactly nothing written down, that means this is 1. So sin x will multiply with 1. So now sin x root under sin x plus root under cos x. I am just writing here how I have solved this part. It is written as 1 by 1 plus root under cos x by root under sin x is written. So 1 is there, so this part is going to multiply. So it is coming as root under cos x sin x. 1 will be there and denominator root under sin x will be there. So this one will go up. So you will be getting root under sin x by root under sin x plus root under cos x. You will get like this. You will get like this. Okay. Pi by 12 is the answer. Fine. Let's check this one out. Pi by 12 is the answer or not. So we are going to take this one as I. So now take this as equation 1. Now pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x means property 3. So what is property 3? Property 3 says that if lower limit is a, upper limit is b, f of x dx, then it is going to be a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So this is exactly the property. So based on this property only we are going to solve. So what is the property there? We are directly going to use pi by 6 to pi by 3. This part is exactly going to be written as sine of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is how much? Just check this one out. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3. Are we going to write like this, or we will solve pi by 6 plus pi by 3? Then it will become easy for us. So here it is going to be, if we will multiply 2 up and 2 down, so it is exactly going to come as 2 pi by 6 plus pi by 6. So now base is exactly going to 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 is nothing but pi by 2. 3 pi by 6 is nothing but, so when I just solve this pi by 6 plus pi by 3, I am getting pi by 2. So instead of writing lower limit plus upper limit minus x, if I am adding this 2, I am directly getting pi by 2 minus x. So I am going to write there pi by 2 minus x. Similarly, I am going to write here also sine of pi by 2 minus x, and then here cos of pi by 2 minus x. Now we know that sine cos 90 degree means change of trigonometric ratio will be there. So since change of trigonometric ratio will be there, this part will be, I will be equal to, so I will be equal to lower limit pi by 6, upper limit pi by 3. So this part is coming as root under cos x. This part is coming as cos x plus root under sin x dx. Okay, now take this as equation 2. Now I think we are ready. Denominator section is sin x plus cos x, numerator section is sin x. So if we are exactly going to add this one out, what will happen? So adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. So if we will add equation 1 and equation 2, what will happen? 2i will come this side, and this side is going to come as pi by 6 pi by 3. This part is getting added, so it is exactly going to come as sin x plus cos x. But denominator part is also going to get added, sin x plus root under cos x. You see here, base is same for equation 1 also. Base equation 1 is root under sin x plus cos x. Here sin x plus cos x is there. Here root under sin x is there. Here root under cos x. If you will add, cancel this one out. So now nothing is left here. So this part is going to be pi by 6 to pi by 3. This part is coming as only dx. So it is going to give you x. So x is exactly going to become pi by 3 to pi by 6. So pi by 3 minus pi by 6, and it is all equal to 2i. It is everything equal to 2i. Okay, everything is equal to exactly 2i. So here 2i equal to here pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So it is going to come as 2, if we will multiply 2 pi minus pi by 6, pi by 6 is equal to 2i, so I is equal to pi by 12. I equal to pi by 12. Yes, directly you can go with this beta, but I just solved systematically. Okay, I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Is there anything based on property number 3, you can solve it much easily based on property number 3. So I just applied property number 3 and I have solved. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. I just applied property number 3 beta. I just applied property number 3. Now clear? 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 Let's see. Understood, Savna? Okay, Maheshwal. Maheshwal already solved the question. Vishiga, Vishu, Farhana, Pritika. Okay, Harish understood? Clear? So we are going to go for next question. So like this question, CBSE asked another 2 questions. This question, same pattern question. CBSE has asked. I know you will be able to handle it, but I just want to show you that just instead of cot x, they have CBSE has given tan x, and this question has been asked in 2007 and 2011. So can you guess what is the answer? Can you guess what is the answer beta without solving? Without solving, now tell me what is the answer. Without solving, tell me what is the answer. Without solving, if we are not solving, and yes, Vishiga pi by 12. Yes, this is what I was wanting. That when you are seeing that lower limit is pi by 6, upper limit is pi by 3, then tan x will get converted, same answer, absolutely correct. Tan x will get converted into beta sin x by cos x. Tan x will get converted as sin x by cos x. Only this small change you have to do, rest other everything will be okay. Okay, now like these type of questions I know you are going to handle. So now another one more property is there. Now this property is just similar to property number 4. So till now one property we have done today. Now another property is there. This property has been asked. That property was what I was talking about now. Because of this property, one of my student lost 1 mark. So score went 99. So I always remember this property. So now look here. So exactly f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous function defined on closed interval. This one. Then only one small work is there. Now you are going to take this one. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. F of x. Now you have to get it as a minus x dx. I hope now you will be able to prove this. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. No change. Now will you be able to prove? So only I have discussed that previous one proof, because I really want you all to prove this one. Prove this one, and beta you start with RHS and you will easily be able to go for LHS. So this is property number 5. So in property number 5, lower everything is same. Everything is same, only the limit is changing. The limit is exactly coming for lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. The closed interval is exactly taken as 0 to a. Okay, the closed interval, it is continuous function defined in closed interval 0 to a, and there the continuous, that was also a closed in that it was a continuous function defined in the closed interval a to b, but here it is defined between a 0 to a. So no work, no big work, we are going to take RHS side, and in RHS side we will write 0 to a f of a minus x dx, and in that part we are going to let a minus x equal to t. Then if you will be differentiating it with respect to x, then it will come as minus 1 dt by dx. So dx part will be coming as minus dt. Now change of limit when x will be equal to 0. When x will be equal to 0, then t will be equal to a. Okay, when x is coming as 0, when t will be equal to a, and when x will be exactly equal to a, when x will be equal to a, here you write a, so a minus a, then t is coming as 0. So only whatever lower limit value is there, you have to just apply in what you have assumed. Okay, now here, that means finally what you are going to write there, Finally, the interval will be, now lower limit is coming as a, upper limit is coming as 0. Now this part is coming as f of t because a minus x we have taken as t. Now dt is coming as minus dt. Minus will go out, it is coming as a to 0 f of t dt. Now we have to say that by applying property number 2. Which property we are applying? By applying property number 2, it will become 0 to a. Lower limit and upper limit will change its place, so minus into minus will become plus. So it is going to come as f of t dt. So by property, when lower limit is 0, lower limit is a, upper limit is b f of x dx, then when we will change the limits, so b will come here, this will come here, f of x dx is coming. Okay, so minus will come out, minus will come out. So will you be able to handle this one? So now by property number 1 we can write like this. So by dx is coming. So by property, that is the function is independent of variable. By that property, the integral function is independent of variable. So either you whatever interval you are going to take, a to b f of x dx, function will be same, a to b f of y dy. Okay, so I just proved this one because this question came in CBSE 2019 for 2 marks. If this type of questions will come, because your question paper will only be of 40 marks, so everything is important. When question paper is stretched to 80 marks, we will see variety of questions. But when the question paper is so compiled, very less questions are there, that time preparation has to be very much intact. One small mistake will take you away from 100 score. Okay, so that time we have to be very much careful. So we are going to solve next question. This question came in CBSE 2002 and 2007. So what is this question is, they're asking the question, now lower limit is exactly 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Question is sin x by sin x plus cos x dx I equal to. Can you solve and say the answer directly without touching pen? This is that level of question where you need not to exactly do anything and answer will come. See, by seeing the question itself, I am saying answer is coming pi by 2. How the answer is going to come pi by 2? See, nothing we have to do here. Now sin x is there, cos x plus sin x. By seeing the denominator section, we have to only bring sin cos x in the numerator and we have to add. So first take this one and then apply this property, that is 0 to pi by 2. Now lower limit plus upper limit minus x, property number 2, 4 either you apply or property number 2. So here, yes, absolutely correct, answer is coming as pi by 2. Pi by 2 or pi by 4? Let's check this one, pi by 2 or pi by 4? Yes, pi by 4 will be the answer, Harish. Now look here, I think Vishika is correct. So here pi by 2 minus x, because pi by 2 will be coming, 2i will be there. So 2i will release that 2. So that's why pi by 4. So first I only thought about sine, what sine is releasing. But this part will be releasing. Just 1 minute. I am going to solve and explain you how it is coming. Pi by 2 minus x dx. This part is going to release pi by 2. That side will be 2i will be there. So that 2 will get multiplied. Just look here. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now sine will release cos x. Now this part will become cos x plus sin x dx. So now take this as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. The moment we will adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, the moment you will add equation 1 and 2, what will happen? 2i will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. This will become sin x plus cos x and denominator part will become sin x plus cos x dx. So this part will get cancelled. 2i is equal to x and pi by 2, 0 will be coming. So 2i will be equal to pi by 2. That's what I said. I just thought about pi by 2, but pi by 2 part will be there and it is going to multiply. That's why it is going to be pi by 4. That's why it is going to be pi by 4 beta. Shall we go for next question? Okay, now without solving, I want you to tell the answer. So this part question you will be able to solve. So one more question CBSE has asked. So this type of pattern of questions, I think you will be able to handle very easily. Now root under sin x is there. By root under sin x plus cos x is there. Okay, dx is there. Now what will be the answer? 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 Quickly say the answer. Yes, pi by 4. Correct only. Absolutely. Vishiga, Harish, pi by 4. Directly, did you understood what you have to do? Same process will be there, beta. Upper limit, Sarvna also understood. Everyone, I want everyone, after thinking, just tell the answer. I want everyone to give the answer. So that I'll understood that you have understood the concept of solving this. Then you will be able to nicely solve these type of questions. Okay. These type of questions are nothing. Only what you need is bit of patience. Farhana, very good. Pritika, Sarvna, Harish, Vishiga. Mahesh, where is Mahesh? Mahesh has not sent the answer. So that means pi by 4 is going to be the answer. So that means directly we can do this question. So no need to solve this question. We are going to go to some tough questions. Okay, this question is exactly very easy question. 0 to pi by 2. Now when log of tan x is there, log of tan x dx is there, then how to handle this question? This question came in CBSE 2007 or 6, 7. Because set ABC will be there, so definitely different set will have different answers. So now go for this question. Very easy question, you can handle it nicely. So upper limit is exactly pi by 2, lower limit is exactly 0. Then what you are going to do here in this question? First work is take this one equal to I. Once you are going to take this one equal to I, then one small work you have to do. No big work here. Just play with this question. These questions are very, very easy, nicely handled. Just small work you have to do here. Go for it. I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx is there. So when this question will be given, how you are going to handle the question? See, take this question as equation 1. Now start going for the next part. I equal to lower limit 0 to pi by 2 log of, apply the property. Here it will become tan of pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, so once you have applied this property, that is, we know that function 0 to a f of x dx will be written as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this property when I will apply, then what change will happen? Nothing, no big change. Here it is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this part is going to be log cot x dx. I equal to. So what I am going to do is, this is equation 2. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to add equation 1 and equation 2 again. So like how I have done previously, same work I am going to do here. So just I applied this property. So how I have solved, same thing I am going to do here also. So I am just going to add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So once you will add equation 1 and 2, this part will become 2i will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now log of tan x plus log of cot x dx is coming. Okay, log of tan x, log of cot x dx. Vishika is telling answer is going to come as 0. Now only one property of log I am going to apply. So what is log of m plus n? Log of m plus n is log of m into n. So here 2i will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. This part is exactly going to be log of tan x into cot x. So how we have done this one? Because we know one property of log of m plus log of n is equal to log of mn. Okay, log of m plus log of n is log of mn. So this property after application, 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of, now tan x cot x will become 1 by tan x dx. This part is going to cancel. So 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here it is going to be log 1 dx, and log 1 value is 0. So this will make the integral section 0. So I will be equal to 0. Because since log of 1 equal to 0. So the entire integral section is going to be 0. Since log of 1 equal to 0, so entire integral section is going to be 0. Understood this part? Come on, quickly tell me you have understood how to do this. Okay, understood now how to solve this question? Yes, Vishika got answer 0. Shall we go for the next one? Ready? Now next question is same pattern, but this question is very popular question. This question came, old question, old is good, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2013. So only these many years they have asked this question, and 2011. And 2011, only 1 2 3 4 5 years they have asked this question. Easy question only. Question is 0 to pi by 4 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. How to go for this question? Go for it. Go for this question. Tan pi by 4 is there, pi by 2 is not there. Okay, pi by 2 is not there, pi by 4 is there. So when pi by 4 will be there, then what we are going to do? Now look here, I equal to, first make it equal to integral, and after that what we are going to do? I equal to 0 to pi by 4. Same work we are going to do here. We are going to write log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. So here also we have applied property. Here also we have applied property. What was the property, beta? The property here is, since we know the property is 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property only applied. So a minus x means wherever x was there, I just implemented there pi by 4 minus x. So after doing this, what next we are going to do? After doing this, what next we are going to do? Tan of, now it is coming as, we cannot write cot. Okay, tan of pi by 4 minus x is there. And we know one more formula, and that formula is, so we are going to expand this one. I equal to 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, leave 1 as it is. Now tan of x minus y will become tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x dx is coming. Okay, so this formula, what formula I have applied? Tan of x minus y is coming as tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y, by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So this property once we are going to apply, then what changes are exactly going, because this property only I have applied. Tan of x minus y is tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So once we are going to apply tan pi by 4, this part will become 0 to pi by 4, okay, log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Okay, one plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is coming dx. So this part and this part is going to get cancelled. Okay. I implemented the formula because 1 plus tan x was there. Because of that only we have to done this much. And pi by 4 was there. It was not pi by 2. So now after this part is exactly going to come as I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x dx is coming. Now we know one formula. Anyone solve this question? Log of m by n formula. Log of m by n is log of m minus log of n. That formula you are going to implement because everything is equal to I. So now here I am just separating this part. I equal to 0 to pi by 4 is there, and then I am going to write log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x. Okay, 1 plus tan x and then dx is coming. So log of m by n is exactly going to be log of m by n can be written as log of m minus log of n. Okay, so now I will be equal to, this will separate out, log of pi by 4. This part is coming as log 2x minus this integral part is coming as 0 to pi by 4. This section is coming as 1 plus tan x dx. If you will see this one nicely, it is nothing but the question itself. So now here this part is totally going to become I. So now, and this part is exactly going to be log 2 is constant. So log 2 will come out, x will be there, and with this pi by 4 and 0 will be there, and here minus I is coming. Because minus I, because this part is using equation 1. Using equation 1. In equation 1 what we have done? We have taken this one equal to, this part is exactly, take this as equation 1. So this part is equal to I. So this section is coming. So we are going to write it as this I and this I will shift there. It will become 2I is equal to log 2 and this x will become pi by 4. So pi by 4 log 2. Or log 2 pi by 4 log 2, or log 2 pi by 4 we can write. Log 2 into pi by 4. Understood this one? Come on, quickly tell me, understood or not? Log 2 pi by 4. Log 2 pi by 4. Understood? Quickly say understood or not. I did nothing, no big work, small work I have done, and that small work is what? In the beginning, from the beginning part, I am just going to explain what and all work I have done. Exactly, I have taken this one as equation 1, and then I applied property number 4. What is property number 4? In property number 4, we are seeing that lower limit to upper limit f of x dx is written as f of a minus x dx. So now 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus x is coming. So now this section is exactly going to open as tan of a minus tan of b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. After implementation of that formula, tan pi by 4 is nothing but 1. So just implemented that section, and after implementing that section, just cancel out. 2 is there. So once we got till here, after that one small work is there. Log of m by n is written as log of m minus log of n. So log of 2 minus log of 1 plus x. This one separating the integral part. This is nothing but I. So written I shifted that side. It became 2I. This log 2 is a constant. It came out. So x here dx is exactly after integral will give x. X lower limit upper limit apply and answer came. So here it is exactly going to come. Finally answer is exactly going to come because here 2I is there. So I will be equal to log 2 into pi by 8. Log 2 into pi by 8. I part is exactly going to shift down. 2I is there. So once it will shift down, it will become log 2 pi by 8. Till here understood nicely? Till here understood? Then we will go for some typical questions. Shall we? Okay, fine. So now we are going to solve one question. We are going to solve one question. Let's see what answer is coming, how fast you can give this answer. Question is 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x is there by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Now I think if you will be able to solve, we will be able to say without solving direct answer, because here pi by 2 is the upper limit. Pi by 2 is the upper limit. So once pi by 2 will come in the upper limit, means jackpot. No other thing. It's called only a pure jackpot. Once pi by 2 will be coming in the upper limit section, it will be called as pure jackpot beta. You will be able to handle it nicely. Vishika is telling answer 0. Super Vishu. Correct answer. Because one small work we are going to do, we will make it equal to I. And we will take this as equation 1. After taking this as equation 1, once we will apply property number 5, what will happen? It will become 0 to pi by 4. This part will become sine of pi by 2 minus x. This part will become cos of pi by 2 minus x. Denominator section is going to be 1 plus sine of pi by 2 minus x into cos of pi by 2 minus x dx is coming. So now this part, since complementary angle, so directly we can write it 0 to pi by 2. This part will become cos x minus sin x. So what was sin x minus cos x? Now it is coming as cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into cos x by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Now take this as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Once you will add equation 1 and 2, this part is coming as 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now upper this numerator section sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x, and this side it is coming as cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and denominator section is coming as 1 plus sin x into cos x. Now dx is there, this and this all got cancelled. So 2i equal to numerator section is coming as 0. So I will be coming as 0. I will be coming as 0. Good evening, Ashutosh. So I will be coming as 0. Now shall we go for next question? Shall we go for next question? Okay, ready? Question is, this question came in CBSE 2009. Easy question, very easy question. Without solving, if you can say the answer, 0 to pi e to the power cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Come on, try this question out. Easy only. Without solving, tell the answer. What will be the answer? E to the power cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. What will be the answer? Pi by 2. Absolute, Ashutosh. The shortcut method, what we are going to do here, we are going to take it as I. Now small work. Applying property number 5. 0 to pi e to the power cos pi by x, pi minus x, and here it is going to be e to the power cos pi minus x plus e to the power cos minus cos pi minus x dx. We know the property 0 to a f of x dx will be equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this property application is exactly going to make what? We know that cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this part is going to come as 0 to pi e to the power minus cos x by e to the power cos x, because here this part will make it minus cos x, this part will make it minus of minus will become plus cos x. So now this is going to be equation 2. This part is taken as equation 1. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So once you will add equation 1 and 2, then what will happen? Exactly I plus I will become 2i. So this part is going to be 2i, and here it will be e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx is there. This and this will get cancelled. 0 to pi is there. So 2i equal to dx 0 to pi. So 2i equal to x, upper limit pi, lower limit 0. So I will be equal to pi by 2. Correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Yes. Answer is coming as pi by 2, Ashutosh. Everyone tell me the answer. So by applying property directly you can solve and you can bring the answer. Okay. I think we will go for one more question if we have time. I have class 11th. Tomorrow they are having exam, so I am going to give revision for them, trigonometry revision to them. Okay, I am going to keep it till here. I am having class 11th trigonometry today. Okay, so next class I am going to start with different property. Second property, I think next property I am going to start with. Bye everyone.